Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you dreaming about making money from your laptop? Maybe from a cozy cafe or even your own living room? Well, you're in the right place, because today we'll be breaking down 3 beginner-friendly ways you can start making money online in 2025. And no, you don't need a fancy degree or a ton of cash to get started. First up, let's talk about becoming a virtual assistant, or AVA. Think about it. So many business owners, creators, and entrepreneurs are swamped with daily tasks. They need help with things like managing emails, scheduling social media posts, or handling customer service. If you're organized and reliable, you can offer your services from anywhere in the world. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr are great places to create a profile and start finding your first clients. You can start small, build your reputation, and eventually turn it into a full-time gig. Next, have you ever considered affiliate marketing? It sounds complicated, but the idea is simple. You promote a product or service you love, and when someone buys it through your unique link, you earn a commission. You could start a blog, a TikTok account, or even a YouTube channel reviewing products in a niche you're passionate about, whether that's fitness, tech, or sustainable living. The key is to be authentic and build trust with your audience. Don't just sell, share what you genuinely believe in. The Amazon Associates program is a super popular and easy way to start. Finally, let's talk about creating and selling digital products. This is my personal favorite because you create it once and can sell it over and over again. This could be anything from a downloadable ebook, a set of photo presets, a workout plan, or even a simple budget template. Platforms like Etsy or Gumroad make it incredibly easy to list and sell your digital creations. If you have a skill or knowledge that others find valuable, package it into a digital product. It's a fantastic way to generate passive income. So there you have it. 3 realistic ways to start your online money-making journey in 2025. The most important thing is to just start. Pick one that sounds interesting, do a little research, and take that first step. It won't happen overnight, but with consistency and effort, you can absolutely build a new stream of income. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.